Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well in your studies. Okay, so now let us start with our today's topic. So today's topic is about, we are going to study about minors and cofactors. Okay, so first topic we are going to learn is minor. So let us take a determinant I have written in general form. So what is a minor? So minor of an element. So minor of an element. Take any element Aij. Aij is obtained by deleting ith row and jth column. ठीक है? By deleting ith row and jth column. Okay. So what does it mean? See, if you want to find the minor of this element, say A11. So minor of an element is actually denoted by, all of you note down, it is denoted by Mij. Okay. So if you want to write minor of A11, it will be denoted by M11. Okay. So minor of A11 will be denoted by M11 and it is obtained by deleting the first row and the first column. So here this element belongs to first row and first column. So its minor will be obtained by deleting this row and this column. So it will be what? It will be A22, A23, A32 and A33. Okay. So you will find that the order of this minor will always be one less than the original determinant. Okay. So the order of here minor is 2. Okay. So is it clear how to find minor of any given element? So total number of this elements, if it is 9 or if it is 4, then the minor also will be equal to 4 or 9. Okay. Now let us come to cofactor. So cofactor of an element is denoted by Aij. So how it is denoted? By capital Aij. So cofactor of any element Aij will be given by what? Aij is equal to -1 power I plus j into its minor. So if you want to find cofactor of any given element, you first have to find its minor and then multiply it with -1 power I plus j. Okay. So now let us take an example. For example, if you have any determinant, say 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 0 and 0, 1, 2. Now let us first find minor. So let us take this element 1. So minor of 1 is equal to what? So minor of 1 is obtained by deleting the first row and the first column. Okay. So it will be 1, 0, 1 and 2. So it is equal to 2 minus 0, that is equal to 2. And now what about its cofactor? So its cofactor will be equal to -1 power 1 plus 1 into 2. So it is equal to 2 only. Okay. So in this way you can find minor and cofactor of any given element. Okay. So this was about the minors and cofactors. So note it down. Now come to this theorem of this topic. That is, you have seen in determinant that if you multiply the elements of any row with its cofactors, then you will get the value of determinant. This you have already seen. Now let us see if a matrix of cofactors is given to you. Now you are taking this, you are writing only the cofactors here. So cofactors that will be denoted by Cij. So C11, C12, C13, or you can take A, we are denoting it by A, no? So capital A11, A12, A13, A21, A31, A22, A33, A23, A33. Okay, so you know this thing. When you multiply the element of any row with its cofactor, we get determinant. So if you multiply A11 with its cofactor, that is A11, and add it to the next element of this row A12 and then its cofactor plus A13 into A13, you will get the value of determinant. Okay, now tell me, what if you multiply the elements of any row with the cofactors of any, then you will get 0. That you can check yourself. Now if I multiply this A11 with A21 and this add it to A12, A22 plus A13, A23. So you will get 0. So this you can check yourself and it is given in your textbook also. Now, so now you solve the examples based on this first. That is example number 21. You have 22. You have to find the minors and cofactors of this elements of determinant. And also you have to verify that if you are not multiplying the elements of any row by its this corresponding element cofactors of the same row, then you will get 0. Okay. So now come to exercise 4.4. So now you have, all of you, see question number 1 and 2 of this exercise. It is very easy exercise. Now let us start exercise 4.4 based on minors and cofactors. Now what about this question number 4? See, question number 1, 2 are just directly you have to find the minors and cofactors of the elements of this given determinant. So minors and cofactors you all can find. Okay, now come to question number 3. In question number 3, you have to, using cofactors of elements of second row, you have to evaluate the value of this determinant. So you have any determinant A is equal to 5, 3, 8, 2, 0, 1 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you have to find the value of this determinant using the cofactors of second row. So cofactors of second row, you have second row is this. Now cofactors of second row you have to get. So A21, A22 and A23. So A21 will be minus 1 power 2 plus 1 into its minor. So it will be obtained by deleting this row and this column. So 3 into 3, 9 minus 16. Okay. So it is equal to minus 7. Now minus 1 power 2 plus 2 into the next element is 0. So its minor will be 15 minus 8. So that is equal to 7. Now come to the next element, that is 1. So 1, it is 10 minus 3, again 7. Okay. So that is equal to minus 1 into minus 7, that is 7 It is 1 into 7, 7, and it is minus 1 into 7, minus 7. So now let us find the value of determinant of A by using cofactors. So that will be 2 into 7 plus 0 into 7 plus 1 into minus 7. So it is equal to 14 minus 7, that is equal to 7. Okay. Okay, so this was question number 3. Now let us come to question number 4. So it is also just similar to this question number 3, that using cofactors of the elements of this third column, you have to find the value of determinant. Okay, so you all can do this question. Now come to the last question. So last question is, you are given a determinant, and if Aij is the cofactors of Aij, then the value of determinant is given by what? So some options are given to you, but we have already discussed that if the elements of any row are multiplied with the cofactors of the elements of corresponding elements of the same row, then you get the value of determinant. But if you multiply the elements of any row with the cofactors of any other row or column, then you get 0. Okay, so you choose according to that concept that we have already discussed. Okay, so this was all about minors and cofactors. So you all complete this exercise and the related examples also. Okay, thank you.